Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready and signed in. On Windows, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then open the Phone Link app and sign in with your Microsoft account. On the iPhone, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on and that you're signed into your Apple ID. Once done, install or open the link to Windows Companion if available, or prepare to accept pairing prompts. This gets authentication and connectivity in place, so the next steps can complete the link. You continue by actively pairing the devices. On Windows, follow the phone link prompts, choose iPhone and begin pairing. When a code appears, compare it on both devices and accept via Bluetooth. This prevents wrong connections. Make sure to grant permissions on the iPhone for notifications, photos, contacts, microphone, and camera as prompted, because those permissions enable messaging, file transfer, and calling. Once granted, the apps will sync if any permission is blocked. You finish by verifying core features. Send a text, transfer an image, and place a quick call to confirm everything works. If something fails, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices and retry, because many glitches clear with a reconnect. Make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account on Windows and that the Phone Link app is up to date. If problems persist, sign out and back in, restart both devices, and then check for system updates. As a last resort, reset network settings on the iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.